Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the Foundation of Islamic Center of Thailand. We should like to take this opportunity to introduce very briefly about the mission and work program of the foundation. We established this foundation with a vision to be an exemplary and unifying Islamic organization in Thailand that contributes to the betterment of the Muslim community and society at large. Regarding our mission, number one, we are to run the mosque, provide religious services and religious instructions and guidance to the Muslim community for their moral development and to meet their religious requirements. Number two, to provide education for all sections of the community in order to lead life in the current multicultural society as a Muslim and as an ideal citizen, and to help Muslims integrated within the wider society. Number three, to develop and provide social and cultural services in order to preserve the community identity and to create social and cultural awareness amongst the Muslims and wider society. Number four, to provide guidance and resource service, particularly to educational institutions, hospitals and prisons, and generally to all communities, irrespective of their religion. Number five, we also provide advisory services to solve educational, cultural, and social problems of the community. The next one is to provide social welfare services to various groups of the community, to provide funeral service and to provide the humanitarian aid and support in all levels of the society. To achieve vision and missions, we run so many work programs. The center provides a meeting point for Islamic worlds of learning. They cover a wide range of invitation or da'wah, organization or jama'ah. Training or tarbiyah, establishing Islam as a way of life, or iqamatuddin. Whereas at the same time we run activities and projects, for example, study circles, training camps, seminars and conferences, new and non-Muslim work, and exhibitions, courses and Islamic awareness weeks. We also have several kinds of programs such as Tafsirul Quran programs, summer camps and other recreational activities. Apart from that, we also run activities such as Arabic language and Sharia courses provided by the Institute of Islamic Studies headed by Mr. Tawi Napakon. We also run publication Islamic Insight, Discovering Islam, weekly newsletter, and production of audio-visual materials through public medias. We also run some activities and projects, for example, local radio stations, weekdays and extraordinary programs in Ramadan, Friday Islamic study and Muslim world event circles. We are now helping to community to build masjid and Islamic centers and organizing zakat and charity fund. We have several kinds of programs like arts and cultural activities. There are quite a large number of people coming to use our center for their social functions. Apart from that, we also run aid and humanitarian projects in order to help the people by raising funds and campaigning for the poor and needy, particularly during tsunami disaster in 6 Andaman provinces. We also establish and support social welfare organizations, particularly those activities for supporting Muslim women, youth, and family affairs improvement. The Foundation of Islamic Center of Thailand is continually looking to improve and develop the Muslim community of Thailand by ensuring that we share Islam with the public at large, provide information regarding its message and way of life, and remove any misconceptions. One of the aims of the Foundation of Islamic Center of Thailand is to bring cooperation between Muslims and the wider society and build a sense of belonging for Muslims to the community, thus creating a peaceful environment. Currently, the Islamic Center is undertaking many projects, including outreach work to school, church groups, youth groups, statutory, non-statutory organizations, etc., and educational programs. The Islamic Center also provides many advocacy projects in order to benefit members of our community. We run library and other bookshops and several types of activities that will be useful for our community. Our volunteer and staff members are constantly seeking to develop themselves through various training courses and attending conferences on many issues regarding community development. We are always continuously and actively seeking to promote and develop the Muslim community of Thailand. At the moment, we are preparing several projects for the benefits of Muslim community. We help them to organize several kinds of exhibition or even to create more wider social activities by bringing them to the center. So we have to construct the new cultural center in the near future by asking supporting from the Thai government. We are going to construct the new minaret in order to make the center very peaceful environment and to be the landmark of Bangkok. We have signed Memorandum of Understanding with the United Arab Emirates Red Crescent in order to organize and support several kinds of charity projects. This will be done under the supervision of the Embassy of the UAE in Bangkok. Any upcoming or new project ideas will be propagated very regularly. Useful suggestions from all concerned are mostly welcome. Thank you very much indeed for your kind contribution. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.